Nice place, nice location. It's very easy to travel from the hotel since it's connected to 2 lines monorail and LRT. I love the design and the decor here as well. Recommend. Would come back here for my next visit for sure. Smile. Exceptional one-night stay on 9th of June 2023. This hotel is a gem. It has been winning numerous awards and rightfully so. A cozy boutique hotel with beautiful deco and exceptional service. The staff are very efficient and polite. It's reasonably priced. Very clean. The rooms are beautiful and the soundproof is excellent. The restaurant and bar is a must-try. Make reservations as it's quite popular. For those who are driving there, make sure you take the white card instead of using TNG. Hubby and I enjoyed the stay and will definitely come again. Nice hotel room, clean and good. Staff friendly. Breakfast very nice. Exceptional, great vibe. Wonderful all around. Great location and nice and clean room. Breakfast here is a must. Staff was helpful and knowledgeable. We can't wait for our next stay here. Bartender, best bartender Raj. Exceptional, excellent service. Enjoy the stay. Highly recommended for a staycation, long holiday stay. The location is good, staff are friendly, they serve good breakfast, especially the nasi lemak. The most attraction is their design. The mixture of classic and modern design, can tell they put in a lots of efforts when designing the hotel. One tiny things I hope can improve is the bed, as I booked for twin bed, however it seems is combined 2 single bed into 1. Other than that, overall is good and highly recommended. The best boutique hotel, the room is clean and nice to stay. If you want to relax after tired of work, this hotel is recommended. The food very delicious also. Fantastic stay. Strategic location with public transport within walking distance. Elegant decor and loved the amenities. Highlight of my trip would have to be the breakfast. Staff was friendly and attentive. Looking forward to my next stay. Exceptional, this hotel is clean and very peace. I recommend to come here since it's very affordable also. Worth for money. Great hotel, nice, clean hotel, staff friendly. Exceptional, good place, I recommend. Location near the central center like Pavilion Square, Petronas Tower, Park, etc. Exceptional, the food super delicious. Especially udang sambal. Setup killer. Annual restay. Every year around April I will go rent a hotel room to rest 1 week and do nothing. I don't like those big hotel with hundred of guests, so I choose Ormond Hotel. They have mixed crowd and you feel so relaxed walk in and out. They serve delicious local food for room service. If you feel don't want to eat local foods, and there's sister hotel which just beside Ormond Hotel, they do serve burgers and hot dog. Exceptional. Had a pleasant stay, they do what I actually requested which I never put too much hope. I'd say excellent service for this hotel, they care about your needs. Comfortable room and superb interior design. Exceptional, really worth it. Good ambience, great food. We had wonderful experience here. Comfortable room. Great food and breakfast. We enjoy the live music. Pretty hotel. Such a pretty and aesthetically pleasing hotel. Just the queen-sized room is a bit small though. Location is near ETH public transport. Staffs are nice too. I would come again if I have more budget to stay in a bigger room. Hee. Nice place, nice location. It's very easy to travel from the hotel since it's connected to 2 lines monorail and LRT. I love the design and the decor here as well. Recommend. Would come back here for my next visit for sure. Smile.